You know Kirby and Bissell, Eureka and Hoover. You know Mealy and Dyson and Oric and Singer. But do you recall the most famous vacuum of all? Roomba the round-nosed vacuum had a non-existent hose, and if you ever saw him, you would really say he goes. All of the other vacuums used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Roomba join in any vacuum games. Then one messy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Roomba, with your tiny height, won't you sweep my den tonight? Then how the vacuums loved him as they shouted out with glee, Roomba the round-nosed vacuum, you'll go down in history.